So this one is a quick one, and I got something to show you. This one too is color grading, and I'm gonna show you everything. You need to know right now. Okay, so let's just um start from here. Okay, the black. We're going to make sure the black is gonna be around um 54, and the contrast is gonna be around, let's maintain it 33. Okay, and let's push the shadow to be around the side, and the lights, and sorry, and the white's going to be around here. Okay, let's take and check the before and after, and then move to color mixer. So color mixer, we're going to take this one down, saturation down like this, and luminance a little bit, and here we're going to take also down. I just want to get brown skin color, but this one I love to make it dark, not brown, but dark color. Okay, so then I'm going to take this one to around the side, yellow to, okay, so it is too much, so we're going to push it to be around this side, before and after. Then we'll move to these colors, and let's see how it's going to affect it. So let's just maintain it to be around this side, and here let's just increase it. So anytime you just work on it, make sure you will just push it and see where it's going to affect it. So before and after. When you're done with this process, come to curve push here to top like this. Okay, top like this, and then down here like this, and hold the shadow to here, and the white to be around the side, and the dark. Okay, let's see before and after. Get closer. Okay, then we hit it. Okay, and I'm gonna take this one's down, so you're gonna choose the color. Make sure you will choose where the color is, then you just the point, and then you change it, and here too same thing. So okay, let's work on the eye, change it to black. Okay, and turn this one to a color mixer. Take this down. So when you get to this point, make sure you create a new layer, then you choose white, and turn this one to let's say soft, and let's choose the brush too, and start working on it. Have you seen it? So it's gonna pop these things just out. We need to make sure we'll just see all this hair. Okay, beautiful. Let's see before and after, but the color is too somehow not great, so I add them together, Control E, then you choose, let's choose the the white color and choose color mixer, and let's duplicate this one, and again duplicate it to 3. Then you just increase this size like this, and we'll show you just work on it like this. We have a lot of methods to just use to just get this, but I love to make it quick for you, an easy way to just work on it. Okay, so this one is cool. Then the other thing we're going to do is that we're going to use this to just cut the eye. Control J to cut it. Okay, so we get this. Then you just choose those two, and just, but always make sure the exposure is going to be around, let's say 50 is not bad. Then start just working on it. So we get something like this. Let's see, before and after. So you can reduce it any just you want it to be. You can just make it more, or you can reduce it. Okay, and the same thing you will just use for the mouth here. So okay, let me just take it from here to here. Let's make it here to here. Control J. Same. Then you use the same thing and for the same method. Okay. Have you seen it? Before and after, before and after, and after. Okay. And the skin. Control J to duplicate this. Okay, we get this. So other thing we're going to do is that we're going to use the same tool to just find where it was just the place where we just brighten, and you just maintain to bring it out. Okay. So when you get this, I think the color is just mess up. So we're going to choose any around here, and we'll just close it down. Like this, and here, and here, here. Okay, and here too. Here is just getting too much, so I'm going to choose the hair color, then I will just work on it. That's it. So this is so great and powerful. I really love to just work on something like this, and everything just look cool, and you can just start working on it and get what I've just show you right now. So guys, comment, like, and subscribe to my page, and I'm gonna do more videos. See you for the next video. Bye.